Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's Drop, and today we're going to be talking about if you should do online school. But before we get into that, if you could like and subscribe, it means so much to me, and let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to talk about sleep schedule. Now, doing online school, it's very easy to get a bad sleep schedule, and I honestly don't see a problem with it. My sleep schedule right now is I'm usually up until around 5 a.m., and then I wake up around 12 to 1 p.m. So I have a pretty bad sleep schedule, if you want to call it that, but it's also really good for doing like my school, how I do my school and my YouTube and stuff. So what I usually do is I get up around 12 or 1. I'll do a day in the life in the future when I get a vlog camera. But what I do right now is I pretty much just wake up, I go ahead and do my YouTube video, I do my filming at least, and I edit. And then what I'll do is I go ahead and do some schoolwork. I'll do a little bit of schoolwork, and then I usually take some time to work out and eat dinner. And then I will go back, finish my YouTube video, plan the next week's video, and then I do schoolwork until about 2 a.m. And then I'll go work out again, and then I'll get some more food, and then I'll go relax, watch some YouTube for a couple hours and play video games or something, and then I'll go back to bed at 5 a.m. And I just repeat, and I love it. It's very nice, and I really enjoy it. But another thing I want to talk about is isolation. So going from like public or private school to online school is different because you're usually around people every single day, all day, and then you go to being home alone or home with a parent, pretty much no one, like you don't really have many friends, and it's not a problem with that if you don't want friends. Definitely know that going into it, like you're not gonna have many friends unless you're friends with people like in your neighborhood. That could work, or if your friends are like family members, that's fine. But I have a dog, so if you have a pet or something, then you'll be fine. But just know that it definitely is isolated, like you're alone pretty much a lot. And there's not a problem with that. I'm just saying that's part of it. Another thing I want to talk about is procrastination. So it's definitely easy to get procrastinated or be procrastinated. I don't know how to say that, but it's definitely easy to do that. You're on your own schedule. Like they give you the lessons and there's no due date. So you just do them whenever you want to do them, but they'll pile up. So every day adds new lessons. If you skip a day of work, or if you skip 2 days or 3 days of work, on that fourth day, you'll have 4 full days of work. And I mean, yeah, you can push it off to the end of the semester, but then you'll just be overwhelmed with like 30 lessons to do in a week, or like 50 lessons in a week. And it'll definitely get overwhelming. So you definitely have to be good with procrastination and try not to be. It's difficult, I know, but definitely can't procrastinate. Kind of going along with procrastination is you have to have really good self-discipline. You have to have the discipline to at least like get on the website, answer any emails you have, or just do the lessons for the day, or at least just knock out some lessons for the week. Definitely just have to hop on, do at least 3 to 5 lessons a day. You'll be fine. Personally, I do Connections Academy, so that's how it works. Now, you may do like K-12 or some other online school. They're all different, but that's how mine work. Another thing I want to talk about is resourcefulness. Now, this could be contacting your teachers, but it doesn't have to be. It could also be using, the internet to go to websites and research yourself, or it could be using textbooks. My biggest thing, I really recommend you using the internet. The internet has every single piece of information ever on. You can just search it up. I say use internet to your best ability to get all the information you can and to learn as much as you can, or at least to find the information you need to pass the grades and the classes. Another thing I want to talk about is routine. So like I told you guys my routine before, but not only like routine, like your day routine, but your schedule routine, your school work. Like how I do is every day I do a class. So I have 5 or 6 classes. So every single day I'll look at I'll go to Friday on my calendar, see all the lessons for Friday. I'll click on English, and I'll look at all the English lessons for that week, and I'll do them all on the Monday. And then Tuesday I'll do all the algebra for the week, computer science for the week. Like, you see what I'm saying? Or on Thursday, I'll do all the history. Like, I'll just do 1 class a day just so it's in, like I have a very scheduled routine, and I've been doing that for a while now, and it'll keep you on track most of the time, and it'll definitely help you with staying on schedule. Now, if you can do all of these things, online school, it might be perfect for you. So you may have come to this video to know if it's good for you, or if you want to do it, or what it's like. It's nice. I told you guys my schedule. It's very nice. And if you could do all these things, stay self-disciplined, be resourceful, be good in isolation, have your own flexible schedule, like online school could be perfect for you. Personally, it's been amazing for me. I struggle really bad with panic attacks and anxiety. So me going from like stressed out all the time to being relaxed on my own schedule, doing things I love like YouTube, video games, and it's been amazing. And I definitely highly recommend online school to anybody. It can meet all like the things like I said, like don't be procrastinated, be isolated. If you can do all of that and stay on track, like this could be seriously, it could be perfect for you. I definitely recommend it. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. See you guys in the next video. Peace.